Welcome to a Railfan Dan short segment video on Union Pacific's Granger line. More officially known as UP's Pocatello sub, we are along the Portneuf River on the west end of the subdivision, a very scenic portion of the Granger line. This spot is just east of McCammon, and we are looking at an eastbound intermodal train led by UP 6900. We will head east throughout this video along the river and see a few different trains from July 2024. It's a great backdrop here with Old Tom Mountain and Scout Mountain. Subscribe and hit the bell if you're enjoying. I'm not sure of the length, but this was a very long intermodal train. Next is a westbound manifest at the railroad location of Topaz, just on the other side of the overpass. Topaz is where a section of double-track mainline begins heading eastbound. This manifest is led by UP 5066, one of the less common SD70M units only a couple miles east of the previous location. From what I found on the map, the waterway above is the Portneuf Marsh Valley Canal. Where the head end of the train is in the distance is where we saw that previous intermodal train. We are a few miles farther east now, back with that intermodal train led by UP 6900 heading east just west of Lava Hot Springs. It is running along that section of double-track mainline that began back at Topaz. Old Tom and Scout Mountains once again in the distance. A couple miles farther east, right in Lava Hot Springs, is an eastbound empty soda ash train led by UP 7101. The line curves toward a northward direction for some miles as it continues to follow the river before turning back east near the end of the video. We are back again with UP 6900 leading the eastbound intermodal train approaching Blazer, which is just about a mile east of Lava Hot Springs previously. Here at Blazer is the end of the double-track mainline. It's a bit of a grade here heading east, which is evident from the sound of the motors in this ground shot. Continuing again with UP 6900, we are approaching Pebble on a nice big S-curve just a few miles east of Blazer. Now approaching Pebble from the other direction is the westbound manifest again from earlier, led by the SD70M. This is where the line turns from north back to east, or vice versa. This is also where the line leaves the Portneuf River as it continues north. know this video isn't that short, but it is a short segment of what will be a longer video of trains on UP's Granger line in Idaho, which you will be able to find in my Granger Line 2024 playlist in the future. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.